Do you like making money? No? No, I don't. Well, you're just about the only person on earth. For everyone else, don't touch that back button because we have in this video 7 investments that give you better returns than index funds, coming at you faster than the speed of light. What's up, you guys? This is Derek West from BTB Fusion. On BTB Fusion, we love to talk about the synergies between business, technology, and personal finance. If you want more videos about how tech can enable business and personal financial growth, nuke that like button and engage in spiritual warfare with that subscribe button.
Do I want to subscribe? Yeah, this guy is bringing fire content.
I don't want to subscribe yet. I like his content, but I don't think he's bringing it just yet.
But while you're at it, don't forget to click the notification bell so YouTube lets you know when we drop more great content. So if you like a channel like mine, you've probably heard investing advice go something like this.
On a trajectory to making as much money
As humanly possible.
Heck, even I've said it. And honestly, that is 100% sound advice. Investing in index funds is a perfectly legitimate and safe way to grow your money at or around 5 to 9% annually, perhaps even more, which can help you grow your money and your wealth. But what about if you want to live on the edge? You know, go 85 miles per hour in a 65 mile per hour zone, cross the street at a non-designated crossing section, or heaven forbid, ride your bicycle without a helmet, knee pads, elbow pads, and or mouth gear. Well, Renegade, for just those sorts of occasions, I have the list for you. We're going to talk about the 7 best investments which have better returns than index funds. Each of these methods has been proven to increase your income and return your investment. Let's dive right in, shall we? And let's not wait any longer. Starting at number 7, cryptocurrency. Let's get this one out of the way, shall we? I started investing in cryptocurrency way before it blew up in and around 2015, 2016. That being said though, cryptocurrency did intrigue me at the time. I ended up taking some bad advice from people that were saying that cryptocurrency wasn't going to go anywhere, and I didn't invest in cryptocurrency as much as I could have, leading me to miss some of the highs that were going to occur in cryptocurrency just years later. But still, I did manage to catch the wave a little bit, as it were. That being said though, to me, cryptocurrency is just that, a currency. A different kind of currency, but a currency nonetheless. And when it becomes truly popular and legal, then in my other business interests, I'll simply have my customers pay me in cryptocurrency, as well as in their other favorite forms of legal tender. Now, that being said, I made way more than 9% returns on the money I invested. It didn't turn me into a cryptocurrency billionaire or anything, yet. But at the time, I made about a 3,000% gain on the investments at the height of the cryptocurrency craze. Now true, a lot of cryptocurrencies have returned back to Earth from their galactic heights, but now that all the chumps are out, it can experience a true rise in value. Just keep this in mind though, this kind of currency is brand new, and there will be a lot of growing pains associated with it, but expect an investment in a sound cryptocurrency. Sound cryptocurrency. To some folks, that is an oxymoron. To net you greater than 9% after, let's say, a 5 to 10 year period. Next up on the list, online courses. I've talked before previously about how worthless college education has become. Keep in mind, this is from someone who went to college and got a degree in something useful, not international basket weaving. But with that traditional education came a boatload of debt and years of work paying it off, essentially training me to be an employee instead of an employer. The skills that I currently have that I use to make money that I invest, most of those skills came from taking classes and courses outside of my college education. Namely online courses, various forms of reading, books on the subject, YouTube videos, Google searches, things that you probably do right now. Keep in mind I'm a technologist, specifically a software engineer by trade. I write code to help automate services and make user experiences better in tons of different ways. And I can tell you that the wealth of free information on YouTube trounces what I learned in traditional education. I could go on, but I have spent well over $5,000 on online courses in addition to all the free resources, so that my knowledge can get even more laser focused and targeted to profit. And that education has in turn made me thousands, if not millions of dollars in return. Other courses I've taken have opened my eyes to both small and large business opportunities, made available through technological innovation. So I say all this to say that education is important and can be a great investment. Just be wary of people trying to scam you out of your money. Look for value, and online courses, as opposed to traditional college education, provides the most bang for your buck. Next, renting properties. Renting, not necessarily owning property, has made me and thousands of others lots of money. Plenty of people are doing this, by the way. Essentially, they're taking properties that they rent, put them on sites like Airbnb, make a good return on them, and from there they never even have to actually own the home. Now, owning the home actually makes you more money, but you can actually rent the home and make a pretty decent profit. Lots of people are doing this currently. It would probably be a pretty good topic of interest to dive deeper into. Let me know in the description down below if that's something that you would like me to talk about. Investing in websites. Websites that I have owned over the years have made me significant chunks of coin. Whether it's been investing in Shopify websites, some of which I built myself, or other websites which I own. It can be very lucrative for a very small upfront investment. If you can get traffic to your websites, you can begin to sell ad space on those websites. There's also the opportunity to sell goods and services to people in the niche in which you're operating. You can buy websites that are already made, as an example through Shopify's website exchange, link in the description. Or you can invest the time and talent yourself and make your own. So I'm a software developer. I focus mostly on back-end technology, but I'm very familiar with all the tools and techniques of front-end website developers and the like. And I can tell you that it's never been easier for the average Joe to be able to make any kind of website. In fact, you could practice making websites for yourself. Get good at it, then sell your newfound skill as a service on Upwork or Fiverr. You could then hire other folks to help you do that so you can scale, creating your own internet marketing company, specializing in helping people establish their own online presence. Next up, brick and mortar businesses. There is a ton of disruption occurring right now for traditional brick and mortar businesses. Sites like Amazon and Shopify have caused lots of people to jump on the bandwagon of online sales. And the trend is only going to go up. Online retail shopping is already a multi-billion-dollar market with nothing but upside potential. That being said, there's still room for the brick and mortar business. We as humans are physical beings. We don't yet exist in a digital realm. Excuse me. And all these online businesses need ways to fulfill all of their orders to their customers. Technology is actually helping us to do it as well. Think of tools like Uber. You can start your own ride-sharing business using Uber as your vehicle, for lack of a better term. You could start off with just yourself, provide excellent service and branding, hire other folks to operate in your niche, or hire other folks to operate under your brand, and then scale up your business from there. Now, admittedly, that's hard to do with ride-sharing, but with other services, things like lawn care, landscaping, dog walking, and pet care, babysitting, even more traditional jobs like plumbing, carpentry, electrical work. Scaling is much easier to do once you establish a brand of quality especially, and the upfront investment could be as simple as downloading an app and registering your service. Next up on the list, real estate in a more traditional sense. Newsflash, owning real estate can make you wealthy. Shocking, I know. But that's been the case for all societies, regardless of political orientation, for all of human history, going way back to the pyramids, all the way up to today and our current political representatives, former presidents, current presidents, progressive politicians, conservative politicians. If you want to be wealthy, then you need to consider your real estate portfolio. Now, there are multitudes of YouTubers out there talking about the various methodologies that they use to increase their wealth using real estate. One of these days, we're going to discuss it as well, but today is not that day. Finally, individual stocks. Investing in individual stocks can be a fantastic way to increase your wealth and can for sure be better than investing in index funds. Let's think about this for a second, because that's a little bit of a controversial statement. If you have a basket of stocks, which is essentially what an index fund is, then in that basket, you'll have some winners and you'll have some losers. The idea is that in a healthy market, you'll have more winners than you'll have losers. And that should mean that your index fund would be a winner, right? But, and this is a big but, What if you just owned the winning stocks out of that bundle? Even better, what if you own the stocks that not only just win, but beat the market average? What if you own just the stocks that not only beat the market average, but that double, triple, or quadruple in value over that period of your ownership? Now don't get it twisted. I'm not talking about day trading or speculative investing. If you could own just the winners though, you would basically be in the holy grail of financial investing. A tough feat to pull off. It requires a lot of research and it requires basically a lot of time to actually pull it off. But there are legends of investing who have done just that. Think of people like Warren Buffett, Benjamin Graham, John Templeton, many others. It is possible to do. You just need to invest the time to do the research on the stocks that you want to buy. But it can be done. So those are the 7 investments with better returns than index funds. Are you dabbling in any of these methods? Let us know in the comments down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more great content. Take it easy, guys. We'll catch you next time.